Hi guys, my name is Yadrissa, but you can call me Dress, and today I will be showing you guys how I got this Gucci inspired makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this look, so just keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bells for every time I upload, you will be notified. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Hello, and as always, we're going to be getting straight into the video. And today I'm going to be trying to create a Gucci makeup tutorial look. And I just wanted to create this look because I really like the Gucci print and I just wanted to see how it would look as a makeup look. And I'm just going to let you know the steps that I took to create this look. So first, before I started to draw on these G's, I did go on my eyelids. I did not prime my eyelids. I never put primer on my eyelids, but what I do use is concealer on my eyelids. I use that concealer as my primer. So I did use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I put that on my eyelids first, on my eyelid space, and above where the eyebrow bone is. I put it all over there, and I just blended that in with a beauty sponge from Real Techniques. That's the sponge that I use, and I just blended it in. I did not set it, and I did not put a transition shade. I just went in with my black with my black eyeliner. And the eyeliner that I'm going to be using is by Wet n Wild, and it's in the color black. So if you see me looking from on the side, I do always have a mirror on the side of me while I record, because that's how I see what I'm doing. So I'm going to be looking in that mirror from time to time. If you're wondering what I'm looking at, that's what I'm focusing on. No, I'm not going to be looking directly into the camera, so I hope that this doesn't bother you. So, and I also have a picture of the Gucci print also on my phone, so that's why I'm also looking over there, so I can see where exactly I want to draw the G's and where I want to put the dots. So this is the one this is the print that I chose to try to recreate on my makeup tutorial, and that is what I'm trying to follow. Yes, my G's are a lot shaky because this eyeliner, I do like the eyeliner, but it's just that the brush is not so, it's not too fine at the end, so I couldn't really get the G's as small as I wanted and as neat as I wanted, because this brush is really not good for me trying to do a look like this. I don't have any smaller brushes, so I just use what I have basically, but it did work out pretty good. I was trying to create the G's, and sometimes it wasn't coming out as straight as possible, or I would just mess up, and there was no way that I can go in and try to erase it unless I would have to just wipe it off with a makeup wipe, and I did not want to start from the beginning, so I just tried to just make it work. Some of my G's look a little suspect. They don't look like G's, but this is what they're supposed to be, and I hope you guys are inspired by this look. If you try to recreate this look, please let me know, and please send your photos to my email. I will try to list my email down below, because I do want to see if you guys think that this is a cool idea and a cool makeup look, and I would love to see how you recreate it and put your own twist and spin on it to make it your own. So yes, I'm just trying to put more G's. I did leave that lid space blank because I did want to do something a little bit different on that eyelid space instead of bringing the G's all the way down. So I thought of putting a little bit of color in, because you know the Gucci is always known for the green and the red. So I did want to incorporate that look into this makeup look. So I did pack on this green shade eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow that I'm using is from the Morphe palette, from the 35B palette, and I'm just using one of the darkest, one of the green shades that I thought was closest to the Gucci print. So I just packing it all on my lid, and I just want to bring a little color to this look instead of having it be all black. So I'm just going to go in with the eyeshadow on my other eyelid before I start with drawing on the G's, because just thought it would be a little bit easier in case I had to draw any of those dots across this across my eyelid. So I'm trying to take my time. I'm trying to move as slow as possible and trying to do it as neat as I can, given the tool that I had is not too defined. I'm trying to get some more products, but you got to work with your girl. I'm still trying to put out some content, and so you guys can have something from me to watch. I'm not very consistent, and I'm trying to get out of that. I'm trying to be more consistent. I'm trying to put out more content, try to make more videos, and just post more pictures. I'm also going to leave my Instagram down below, so you guys can follow me there if you want to. I'm also going to list my Snapchat, so you can just see how I am on the daily, and just come visit my page and follow me. And I do follow back. I do reply to questions. I do reply to comments. And even if it's you telling me something that you think that I can improve, I'm not funny style. I'm not going to take that the wrong way. I would appreciate any feedback at all, or just any ideas that what I could have done different with this look. So as you see, I'm just trying to recreate the same thing that I did on the other side, on this side, trying to put them kind of in the same area that I did on the other side. So I'm just trying to make these G's straight, put these dots. I am looking at my mirror. If you wondering what I'm looking at, I never look inside of the camera because I have to look in my mirror to see exactly what it is that I'm doing. I'm not going to use a handheld mirror. I'll just use one that's stable, that sits on top of my desk. So I'm just trying to just take my time and do this. So if you're going to recreate this look, just make sure you take your time. It's no rush. Just take your time and try to do it as straight as possible. And then next, I am going to be going in with my eyeliner, and I'm going to be using that same black eyeliner, and I'm going to be, and the eyeliner that I said I used was from Wet n Wild. I'm going to be using that eyeliner in the color black, and I'm just going to be outlining my, just making a wing eyeliner for this look with the black, and I'm just stretching on my eye, because sometimes I feel like when I stretch my eye, it helps me straighten out the skin, and I can be able to make my line a little bit more straighter, if that makes sense, by having it be more stable and more smooth. I am using a eyeliner brush for me to apply this red, and this red is actually a liquid lipstick, because the red eyeliner that I had was dried out and the brush was terrible, and I was unable to use that. And this liquid lipstick that I'm using is a non-name brand liquid lipstick that I got from my local beauty supply, and I just applied that to the brush, and I'm going to be just applying that to my eyelid. So as you can see, I just put the red on top of the black eyeliner because these are the Gucci colors. I wanted to put that inside of this makeup look too, and I'm just doing that to both sides. And this is just a regular eyeliner brush that I'm using to apply that liquid lipstick, the red liquid lipstick. The red liquid lipstick is the same one that I'm going to be using on my lips also, but it did turn out good, because I didn't know what I was going to do for this red, because I thought that the one I had was going to be good, but it was terrible, long story short. So I'm going to be using that same red liquid lipstick on my lips. So if you like this makeup look, don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bells. Let me know what you think about this makeup look, and any ideas of any videos that you want me to do, please leave it down in the comment section. I will try to list everything down in the description box of every item that I have used, if you have missed anything or if I forgot to mention anything in this video. So I hope to see you in my next video. See you later. Bye.